sales, pop shop back on there. And today I have a Shopkins tin that I got for Easter. Ones I got out of the tin are cheeky chocolate and pretzel. Isn't she pretty? Oh. So it's a vending machine storage tin. So yeah, storage your Shopkins in here. It says, "Let's go shopping. Welcome to the world of Shopkins, the cutest collectible characters from your favorite shops. There's cute fruits, sweets, dairy, and more. So grab your shopping cart, start, because once you shop, you can't stop." It's 2 Shopkins, 1 storage tin. There's a strawberry kiss, so cute. It says Shopkins, and then there's some right there. There's some, and then there's right there. Vending machine. That'd be cool if this vending machine part did open. There's that. Oh, there's cheeky chocolate. They are. They're so cute. That's the back. And it says checkout. There's 10. Whoops. They're all the things. The buttons. And there's bubble gum. So that's cool. That's what it looks like. There's those. Here it is. Another thing. Put this back in here and display your Shopkins. There they are. And let me move the tin. Cheeky chocolate. So cute, cheeky chocolate. And I love white chocolate and milk chocolate. There's cheeky chocolate. And this one I think is pretzel. I'll put pretzel on it. So cute. They stick perfectly. Just want to do a tin can. I really wanted to do this pin. I got it at Hot Topic. I've never seen these before, and they're blind bags, and they're Disney princesses, and they're man, that's how much they were. Look at all of them. They're so pretty, and you can get this at Hot Topic. Whoa, she's so pretty. Pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. And it's so glittery and pretty. It's pretty beautiful. I'll show you pictures at the end too, guys. Wow, it's beautiful. And then, glittery. I'll show you a picture at the end. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, y'all. See you.